Fret not thyself because of evildoers. They prosper in their evil ways. They will soon be cut off.
Hey, yeah, yeah. Well, out of fire must burn, burn. And the children will learn, yeah. Well, out of fire must burn.
Speak the judgment, hey.
And the tables will turn,
Yeah. Well, I sight and I see slavery still exists. If you don't believe me, then listen to this. Just because you don't see no chain upon their feet and wrist, mentally and physically they still captive. In Mexico, Jamaica land, Indonesia, Africa, Afghanistan, the slave master completing his plan, raping and robbing people and land.
well, out of fire must burn, burn, yeah. Well, and the children will learn, yeah. Well, out of fire must burn, and the tables will turn, yeah.
Well, I come to burn down the plantation land. Hot a fire burn Uncle Sam. Judgment, the Bandit Ku Klux Klan. And once again, the Vatican. You're not pretty workers wherever you stand. Your heritage is desolation. Your kingdom is at hand. Better repent for your sin.
A lot of fire must burn, burn, yeah. And the children will learn, yeah. A lot of fire must burn,
I go burn, hey.
and the tables will turn.
It's all go turn. Blaze the fire, yo.
I say, a lot of fire must burn, burn, yeah. And the children will learn, yeah. A lot of fire must burn,
Judgment, hey.
and the tables will turn, yeah.
But this a song of hope,
A song of freedom,
cause everything has its time and season. It's not no joke, no I'm not teasing. I said the blessings are yours for keeping. It's
joy over grief.